What's up, everyone? I've got a 1994 Ford F-250 extended cab long bed, four-wheel drive, rust-free truck. It's got a 460 automatic, power windows, power locks. Looks pretty darn sharp. It does not run. The engine is locked up. It's got a nice straight rust-free body. It's got a nasty, dirty interior. Looks to be like a Line X or some sort of bed liner. Looks really nice. Underside, rust-free. Interior, very dirty. Needs carpet, needs some scrubbing. Engine compartment, very clean. So if you're looking for a nice, solid, rust-free project, this may be it. Rust-free, 3/4 ton, four-wheel drive, 410 gears. It's got a bad engine. Send us an email, give us a call. No trades, no financing. Show up with a trailer, we can pick it up and set it on a trailer for you. Thanks for watching.